Hello everyone, welcome back to Average Joe Watch Reviews. Today we're doing the Seiko Chronograph 100 meter. It's a chronograph function with blue dial and contrasting yellow hands. As you can see, I have it running right now because I wanted to show you a pretty cool feature here. So as I stop it, just like any ordinary stopwatch, at the top pusher, and I'm going to reset it and I'm going to show you guys what happens here. So as we see at the 6 o'clock position, this not only tracks the minutes that go by, but the other hand also tracks the amount of hours. So it actually is a 12-hour timer, as you see there. And the 12 o'clock will do 1/20th of a second, while the second hand here, that's typically on a regular watch, ticks down your regular seconds, whereas this sub-function, chronograph function here at the 9 o'clock position continues to track regular seconds on the watch. So lots of things going on with this watch, so we'll just calm it down right here. So at this angle, my issue with this watch is probably evident, and that is, what time is it? So if you look very closely, you could see, but you have to tilt it. We could see the hands a little bit better, but that is my one big, I mean, and it's a big negative on this watch, is the fact that I'm having a hard time telling the time. So this watch doesn't get a lot of watch wearing time, because when I wear a watch, I want to know what time it is. And I want to know what time it is in all lights, and not just, oh, here we go. See? So that to me is a big negative. But let me not beat a dead horse here, because if that doesn't bother you, if you just twist your wrist, you can see the time just fine. So just in different lighting, you can't see the hands. Alrighty. So it does have a beautiful blue dial. So the blue dial on this watch is pretty stunning. Take a look at it in light. You can see that it does have a bit of a shine to it, so it's a bit of a gloss. It's not a sunburst, but it's got a little bit of gloss, and you can even see the hour markers. They are all made of a metal. There's actually no luminescence with this watch, believe it or not. Very rare thing for a Seiko to not have luminescence, because Seiko is very well known for their luminescence, because they're actually, for a watch under $500, in my personal opinion, the best in luminescence. Absolutely, hands down, because they use super luminova. So this is a rarity that this watch has no lume. That I'm a lume fan, so that's another negative for me. Okay, and look, I love Seiko, guys, I really do, and this is a nice watch, but this watch does have its negatives for me. Alrighty, so let's take a look at the dimensions of this watch. So if we include the crown, we are at a 46 millimeter. Without the crown, we are at a 43 millimeter. It's not a bad size. It's probably for me personally, the largest I like to go in this day and age is 43. The smallest I'll go is 38, and I don't even like going that small, but that's that. You know, I have more 38. Our case thickness is at just around a 9 millimeter, so not too bad. Our case back, as you can see, is nothing special. It's a twist off, which is a plus. I will definitely give him that. Got this at Kohl's Outlet, so this watch here was well under $100, so can't complain too much, guys. You can't. This is definitely more of an entry-level piece, as we can see, even with the end links. They're not solid end links. Seiko doesn't do a lot of solid end links, especially in this price range. This watch, brand new, was probably in the $200 range. So, I mean, I got this for 40 bucks. So, I mean, again, can't complain, but I'm just giving you guys an honest review. As we could see, it's got a Jubilee looking bracelet. As you can see, it's got the folded over metal, so it's, you know, even like as you can see here, when I sized the bracelet, the links didn't seal back as good as the factory ones, but. And as you can see, you have your micro adjustment, which is a plus. You have your stamped clasp, which in this price point you expect, but it does work semi-well. And of course you have the locking mechanism that helps to keep it locked. But yeah, I mean, the watch is indeed an entry-level piece. I mean, you do have a good fitment here. I mean, this is an extra piece that they put on top so you don't have that gap. But if you guys are looking for an entry-level piece and a piece that is very affordable, I'll put the link below in regards to where you can get this watch and how much it will be. And the case itself is all polished. So I mean, there's no contrasting here. So I mean, obviously that's, again, cost cutting. But again, this is what you would expect on an entry-level watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Really would appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day.